Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials so inputs translate smoothly. First, set your stick dead zone low around 0, 5 to 0, 10, because smaller dead zones remove stick slack and give crisper turns. Once done, pick mid-range horizontal and vertical sensitivities so aim stays controllable while you move. Also enable aim assist and immediately test these values in a private match. This gives direct feedback on how changes affect recoil and turning, and prevents over-adjusting later. Now you refine both movement and aim together because the two interact constantly. Reduce ADS sensitivity slightly relative to hipfire, target a 0, 85 to 1, 10 ratio so your aim stabilizes when you aim down sights. If available, enable gyro or slight aim smoothing for micro-corrections, but keep it light so it does not slow response. Practice controlled strafes, slide cancels, and pre-aim drills in short 2-minute sets. This builds the motor patterns that make your adjusted settings feel natural. Finish by validating and locking your settings because consistency is how you improve. After 3 focus sessions, commit to the values that felt best. Do not tweak more than one parameter at once and use short sessions to confirm. If you notice input delay, stick drift, or erratic recoil, record short clips or notes so you can isolate the cause. If issues persist, recalibrate or test a wired connection. That often eliminates wireless latency or ghost inputs and restores smooth control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.